Hey everyone, welcome to the Drip Vibe. I've been thinking about doing this trip for a while, and finally it's time. I will be driving from London to Benidorm, doing nearly 3,000 miles of driving, stopping on my way in various French and Spanish cities, and would like you all to join me on this adventure. I'll be sharing the exact routes I used, toll and non-toll, and I'll show you every expense so you know the total spend. I will be taking a ferry to cross into France. Once in France, I will be driving from Calais to Clermont-Ferrand, around 9-hour drive. From there, I'll be driving straight into Spain. I will be uploading new videos every week. So please like, share and subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming next.